Good morning, children. Welcome to Nivedita School offline classes, and the subject is social studies. Yes, children, we were in lesson number 3, right? This is the lesson number 3, house we live in, and this is the part 2. Okay, children, what have we learnt in part 1? Let us have a quick recap of what have we learnt in part 2. Yes, children, the house, we got to know the things about how the house protects us. Yes, and why do we need a house? Children, we all need a house to live in, and the house protects us from heat, cold. We got to know all these things, right? Yes, the house protects us from the rain, heat, cold, animals, and even thieves. And the house which we live is our home. And the family lives in a house with love and affection. Yes, children, we all live together in our house. Right. The same way, all the families lives with love in a house. And we also got to know about the different types of rooms, right, children? What all the different types of room? Yes, the drawing room, the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, dining room, and the study room. Yes, these are all the different types of room. Yes, children, this is all what we have got to know about the lesson number 3, house we live in part 1. And now let us go into the part 2. Yes, children, we will see what all the rooms and are there in the house. Okay, one by one. This is the drawing room. Right, children? Yes, this is a drawing room or the living room. We also call it a hall. Yes, in the normal words we call it a hall. Living room, children, what all is there in the living room? Yes, we have the television and the furnitures in the living room. Yes, where we receive the guests in the living room or the drawing room. Children, look here, we receive guests in the drawing room, right? We should always maintain the cleanliness in the living room so that everyone will be very calm and pleasant, right, children? This is a drawing room. And the next one, this is a bedroom, right, children? Here we have our bed and the closets or the wardrobes. Yes, children, we all keep our needs or the necessary things, the clothes in the wardrobes and the closets organizers. Yes, we call this a bedroom, and we have a bed in this room. We should always keep our rooms clean and tidy. We sleep in the bedroom, right, children? We all sleep in the bedroom. There is a separate room to sleep, and that is the bedroom. Okay, now the next room is the bathroom, right, children? This is a bathroom, right? We have a bathtub, yes, and the toilet in the bathroom, where we have a bath in this room. We used to take bath in the bathroom. Children, it is a bathroom. This is a kitchen, and next here comes the kitchen. It is a favorite room. Yes, children, we all can cook in this room. This is called the kitchen. We have the various utensils, the dishes in the kitchen room. right, where we prepare our favorite food in the kitchen. We all cook food in the kitchen, right children? Our mother and our elders cook food in this room where we have the utensils and the dishes to prepare food. This is a kitchen. Yes, the next one is the dining room. Right children? This is a dining room where we have the set of chairs and a table for dining, for eating food. Right children? There is a separate room for the dining. Okay, and this is called a dining room. We eat our food in the dining room. Right children? We have our food in the dining, on the dining table, and we have to sit in the dining room and have our food. Okay? This is a dining room. The next one is the study room. Right children? It is a study room where we keep our books and the stationeries, and our favorite books also is kept in this room. When we want to study, we go to the study room to read. Right children? Where we can concentrate on the things we need to know. Without any disturbance, we can go and read the books or write something or whatever we need to do. Yes, we can go and do in the study room. We read our books in the study room. Children, you all got to know about the rooms in a house? Yes. And even children, some houses have a prayer room, right? Some houses even has a prayer room. Look here. These are the prayer rooms for the different religions of the people, right children? Yes, this is a puja room for Hindus, and this is a prayer room for the namaz room for the Muslims community. Okay, and this is a prayer hall for the Sikh, and this is a prayer room for the Christians. Yes children, these are all the prayer rooms we have in different houses of different religions. Right children? And some houses are very small, only with 1 or 2 rooms children. Some houses are very small with 1 or 2 rooms. Yes, look here. These are all the houses which are very small with 1 or 2 rooms. Yes, some are big and some are small. Yes, this is an image of a good house which has the big windows, the huge windows. Yes, to let fresh air and sunlight. Right children? A good house has windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. Right? Yes, we can feel very fresh, calm and pleasant. Yes, to view all the environment around us, and we feel very fresh in such atmosphere. Right children? Yes, we feel very fresh. These windows helps to let fresh air and sunlight inside our house. We should always keep our houses clean. Right children? You all keep your houses clean, right? You all help your parents in keeping our houses clean. Just look here. Yes, people live together and help one another to keep their houses clean. Right children? We all do keep our houses clean. Yes, we all help our parents and our elders to keep the houses clean. The house should be clean and tidy every time so that we feel very pleasant and very easy in our home. Right, children? Here look, mother sweeps and mops the floor of a house. Yes? Mummy sweeps and mops the floor of a house. Right, children? In our homes, yes, our mother or whatever we call her, mummy, yes, she sweeps and mops the floor of a house and she keeps the house clean and tidy. Look here, he is the father, right? Papa or the father dusts the furniture of the house. Yes, children, in our houses, our parents, the father or the papa, whatever we call, yes, they too also helps to dust the furniture of a house, and even they help us to keep our houses clean. Yes, she is Mona. Mona keeps all the things in order to clean the house. Right, children? In our house, the small sisters or the elder sister, younger sister, yes, they all help to keep the things in order to clean the house. Right? Who is she? Children, she is Mona. Mona keeps all the things in order to clean the house. She helps her parents to keep the house clean and tidy. She is Romy. Romy waters the plants to give flowers. Right? Who is she, children? Yes, she is Romy. You are correct. Romy waters the plants to give flowers. Right, children? Everybody or somebody have the hobby to water the plants and to look after the garden. Right, children? Here she is a Romy. Romy waters the plants to give flowers. Right? And children, this is all about the houses we live in. Right? Thank you for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next part of the video. Till then, bye, and thank you for watching, children. Stay home, stay safe.